Hey, what's going on everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to add an NFC card to your iPhone. The process is pretty simple. First things first, you have to have an iOS 13 or newer. And to be able to check this, you have to go first to your settings, General, and About. As you can see here, I have an iOS 16.6.1, so I can add an NFC card to my iPhone. After checking if your iOS is 13 or newer, what you have to do next is go to your App Store and download the app called NFC Tools. This app will be used to read and write NFC tags or cards, which will then be added to your iPhone. After downloading the NFC Tools app, what you have to do next is open up the app and tap on Read. A pop-up will then show up saying that it is ready to scan. Once this pop-up has appeared, just put it close to your NFC card or tag, and it will then read that card or tag, and then it will be added to your iPhone. That's about it for this video. Remember, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.